So, a quick update. I've got them all in. I've wired the tops. I've put zip ties on the two middle ones. I know that means they're not tensioned, but each end is wired to there and then a separate wire down to a peg. Why I've done this is so that everything is easily movable. If I need to move the beds or the covers over, all I've got to do is measure literally from here over to here where my paths are, run a peg there and another peg 30 inches across, and they can literally be parallel with all these, and they're pegged at each end just to give it some tension. And like I say, it's just zip tied there and zip tied there, so it will unthread and undo.